Understanding and using the ordinal number, 20th, 20th. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to continue our journey through the fascinating world of English ordinal numbers, focusing particularly on the word, 20th. Ordinal numbers are words representing position or rank in a sequential order, and 20th is one of them. Let's get started. 20th is an ordinal number that represents the position of something when you're counting, specifically the 20th item in a series. If you're standing in line and you're the 20th person, that means there are 19 people ahead of you and you're the 20th person in that sequence. Likewise, if you're marking a 20th anniversary, you're celebrating 20 years since a particular event. To better understand how to use 20th in a sentence, let's look at a few examples. 1. It's the 20th of June today. This means that today's date is June 20th. 2. This is the 20th time I'm telling you to clean your room. Here, 20th indicates that the speaker has told the listener to clean their room 19 times before, and this is the 20th time. 3. They are celebrating their 20th anniversary. In this case, the couple has been married for 20 years. Remember, 20th is used to describe a position in a sequence, not the quantity of items. Now, let's clarify a common misunderstanding. Sometimes people mix up 20, a cardinal number, and 20th, an ordinal number. 20 is used when you're simply counting objects, while 20th denotes the position or order of an object in a sequence. For example, you should say, I have 20 apples, not, I have 20th apples. Conversely, you should say, I'm the 20th person in line, not, I'm the 20 person in line. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on the ordinal number, 20th. Remember to always think about the position or order of items when using this word. We hope this video has clarified any confusion you may have had about how to properly use 20th in English. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time.